Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mazda 6 headlight. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Next, open your car's hood and identify the headlight unit you need to remove. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects you during the process. Now, let's tackle the bumper. You'll need to remove several plastic clips and screws that hold the bumper cover in place, usually found along the top edge and in the wheel wells. Carefully pull the bumper cover slightly away from the fender to access the headlight. Then, look for two 10mm bolts positioned on the top of the headlight assembly and remove them. With the top bolts out, there's one more to find. Reach behind the bumper cover to access the final bolt, which is often a 10mm size, securing the bottom of the headlight. Once all bolts are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors from the rear of the headlight unit, twisting to unlock if necessary, and the headlight is free. To reinstall your headlight, simply reverse these steps. Carefully slide the new headlight into place, reconnect all electrical connectors, and secure it with the three 10mm bolts. Then, reattach the bumper cover, ensuring all plastic clips and screws are firmly in place. Double-check everything to make sure it's secure before reconnecting your battery. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.